Mayor of Manila, Mayor Isko Moreno.
我们要跟市长报告，万年寺在马尼拉是非常优良的记录。
I want to report to Mayor Isko that we have a very good record in Manila.
我们今天很感谢市长百忙之中特别来参与，谢谢市长。
Thank you very much, Mayor, for coming despite your such busy schedule.
Thank you.
To His Excellency, Ambassador from Sri Lanka, Ambassador Dr. Chanaka Tapale, to Mr. Chu Min Fan, Secretary of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in the Philippines. To Venerable Yung Wan, and to other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, coming from Manila and other parts of the country and around the world. Good morning. I don't want to ayoko magawin yung eksena sa inyo, but I was tasked to welcome you to Manila. But at the same time, I was asked by our foremost to say a piece, or words of encouragement. And I think it's more than words of encouragement. I think a prayer and wish. I should be able to today. The arrival of the relic, the transmission of Fu Wong San, founding master, Venerable Master Sing Yun, here in Manila, can be made a symbol of us today living to be man for others. Let the message and teaching, the way of life, our people, continue to be compassionate, empathy, and understanding one another. Yun yung wish ko. And I think it can be ang wish ng ating pamumuhan. Second, I pray that there will be long-lasting peace in the world. All material things that we needed, dealing with daily lives, I think more than that, good health and peace in our community. And let me assure, as your mayor, in my own little way, kasama ang aking mga kapwa-kawani ng pamahalang lungsod, pipilitin natin laging maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay dito sa lungsod ng Manila. Again, we're very honored and humbled the presence of our relic of our founding master. And to all of you here, came all the way from other countries, cities, different parts of the Philippines. Again, I would like to end this with welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Manila.
非常欢迎大家从菲律宾各地方的世界各地的人来到菲律宾参加我们的0.5分的。那我做市长呢，只有一个祈愿跟大事一样。